Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide home screen apps in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. See here, you can see apps in the home screen. If you would like to hide some of the apps from the home screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, and then go to home screen, and here select hide apps on home screen. Just select it, and here you can choose the apps which are to be hidden from the home screen. Okay, so here I select Google Chrome, then contacts, Drive, Facebook and Gmail. Okay, I have selected 5 apps, and after selecting, click on done. Okay, now go to the home screen. You cannot see such selected apps here. Okay, what apps you have selected for hiding, that apps will not be available in the home screen. Okay, so in this way you can easily hide home screen apps in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.